It's a scourge that cuts across culture, it cuts across economic status, social status. It's a global phenomenon. And unless there's a global coalition to end violence against women and girls, it will never end.
We call on the federal government of Somalia, the federal member states, and all the other national and international actors to play a vital role in creating awareness, providing legal and medical aid, and facilitating access to services for those who are most vulnerable, in line with the principles of leaving no one behind.
Survivors are housed at the safe houses and provided with security food accommodation until their cases are solved and they are unified with their loved ones. SSWC carry out trainings and awareness campaigns to enlighten the masses of GBV and also to provide platform for stakeholders to air their views.